Hey guys, and welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. Thank you for joining me. So today I am going to show you how I made these Belgian waffles. Now these waffles are crispy on the outside and very fluffy on the inside. These waffles make the perfect weekend brunch or even dessert. Stay with me and let's get started. For this recipe, I am going to use the following ingredients. I have plain flour, baking powder, salt, vanilla extract. You can also use vanilla essence. I have caster sugar, egg yolk, which I have separated the egg white in this bowl. I have ground cinnamon, grated nutmeg, whole milk, melted unsalted butter. For my toppings, I'll be using squirted cream. I have strawberries and also chocolate sauce. I will list all the ingredients including measurements in the description box below. In a mixing bowl, I've just added the egg white and I'm going to whisk using a handheld mixer until the egg white is foamy. However, you can continue whisking until the egg white peaks. Guys, the egg white is what's going to take these pancakes to the next level. It's going to make the pancakes very fluffy. Once the egg white is foamy or it has peaked, set aside for later use. Now to the whole milk, I'm going to add the egg yolks, vanilla extract and the melted butter. I'll mix well and I'll set this aside for later use. I am now going to sift the plain flour, salt and baking powder. Now to the rest of the dry ingredients, I'm going to add the sugar, grated nutmeg and ground cinnamon. I'll then mix everything together to ensure it's well combined. Now to the dry ingredients, I've just added the wet ingredients. I'm mixing to ensure everything is well incorporated. And as you can see, everything is nicely mixed. I am now going to add the egg white and I'll gently fold the egg white in until smooth. And this is what the waffle batter looks like. Everything is well combined. Now time to make these waffles. Before I start making my waffles, I have been heating my waffle iron, and once the iron is ready, I will know because the light will go red. As you can see, the light has just gone red. I'm just going to open my waffle iron and I'm going to spray the waffle plate using my cooking oil. If you don't have cooking oil, you can brush the plate with some melted butter. I am now going to spoon some of the waffle batter in the waffle iron and I'll cook this until golden. However, once you add the batter in the waffle iron, ensure you filled out the little spaces the last thing you want is having holes in your waffles. However, try not to overfill the waffle plate, because once you close it and you have too much batter in there, it will overflow on the sides. I'm going to cover the waffle iron and I'll allow the waffles to cook until golden. And my waffles are done. I'm going to transfer the cooked waffles on a plate. I will set this aside and repeat the process until there's no waffle batter left. And these are my waffles, nicely stacked and ready to go. I have chosen to have sweet toppings, so I've added my squirted cream, I will add strawberries, I will add chocolate sauce, and to complete this, I'm going to dust on some icing sugar. Now, of course, you can add any toppings of your choice. Now, guys, let me tell you something. These waffles are perfect for Sunday brunch. Add your egg, add your sausages, add your bacon. Oh man, maybe I should have opted in for savoury instead of sweet. But anyway, whichever way you have these waffles, you are going to enjoy, sweet or savoury. And guys, just look at these waffles. They look amazing. Oh my goodness. As always, thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below, subscribe to this channel, and click the notification bell, which will notify you every time I post a new video. And my husband is just tucking in away. Enjoy your waffles, and I'll see you next time. Bye.